Lord Krishna, O Lord Jesus, O beloved Guruji Yogiji Maharaj, Gurudev Kakaji Maharaj, and all divine saints, I am your innocent and ignorant child. You be with me and dwell in my heart to enlighten me and inspire me. You guide me and work through me. You direct me to discharge my duties and show me the true mission of my life. You protect me and strengthen me. O beloved Lord Swaminarayan and my Master Kakaji, irrespective of my thinking, my liking, my desire, my belief, and my inner conviction, you know what is in my best interest. Let thy will be done in my life. You mold my destiny. I surrender unto you. Give me enough courage to be righteous and loyal. Bless me so that I think positively and introspect within to correct myself. Bless me so that I can serve with all humility and without expectations or discrimination. Hold my little hand, O Lord, and dispel my fears, so that I accept that nothing improper can happen to me when I have surrendered unto you. Forgive me if I have consciously or unconsciously hurt the feelings of others. Forgive me if I have done anything without your consent and did not seek your guidance through prayer. Forgive me for the things which I did when my conscience suggested that my action will not meet with your approval. O Gurudev, I bow down to your lotus feet for your infinite grace. I thank you for all the love and compassion you have given me. Give me strength to appreciate all you have done for me. O Gurudev Kakaji and all Gunatit saints, I urge you to transmit your unceasing flow of energy into my body, mind and spirit, so that I remain in the realm of your sovereign supremacy, to maintain spiritual equanimity. This state of tranquility will put me in a witnessing spirit at all times and on all occasions. O Gurudev, impart me with a divine vision to see self in all in self, and all as self. and ultimately to see God in all in God, and all as God. Jai Swaminarayan. So, this was the prayer. Some of you are not very versed in English, even though we call ourselves Americans, citizens. So, for those, today I will recite one in Gujarati also, similar prayer. And this is the golden opportunity for those who wants to learn Gujarati. English to boli gaya. Those who wants to learn Gujarati, I am going to say this prayer in Gujarati. Tame બધા follow me whatever way you can. He sarva avtari, sarva upari, Sri Swaminarayan Bhagavan, Bhagavan Sri Ram, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Sri Yeshu Christa, Mara Gurudev, Yogi Ji Maharaj, तथा गुरु हरि काका जी प्रगट गुणातीत स्वरूपो तथा सहु दिव्य भक्तजनों, आप मने आपनो समर्पित दास जाणी केवल करुणा अने आशीष वर्षावी अखंड मारा हृदय आकाशे विराजमान रहो, जेथी आपना सर्वोपरि करता हरतापणानी अने दिव्य प्रगटपणानी मने दरेक पड़े प्रतीति रहे। केवल आपना संबंधे ज अमे सहु अक्षरधामना मुक्त छीए एवी मान्यता सतत दृढ़ रहे। एज रीते आपना संबंधवाळा सौ मुक्तो प्रत्ये पण एवी ज दिव्य दृष्टि रहे। अमारा विचार अने वर्तनथी आपनो महिमा प्रसरे। आपनी एवी कृपा वर्षावो जेथी अमारा जीवन में दरेक पड़े सकारात्मक दृष्टि ज रहे अने अमे आपना संप सुहृदभाव अने एकताना सूत्र मुजब जीवी शकीए। ते माटे अमने नम्रता, उदारता, क्षमा अने हૈયાની विशाળતાથી अखंड जीवीए एवी कृपा करो। अमे स्थूल दृष्टिए आपनाथी नजीक होइए के दूर, परंतु आपनी साथे दिव्य तादात्म्य केळवीए। अखंड खुशी अने आनंदना फुवारा उड्या करे। आजे आखा दिवस दरमियान मन, कर्म, वचने जाणे अजाणे पण कोई भूल माराथी थई होय तो मने क्षमा करजो। ए भूलोनु पुनरावर्तन न थाय ते माटे बळ आपजो। ते माटे मारा मन, बुद्धि, अहम, आत्माए सजाग अने सक्षम रहे। ते माटे हूँ दररोज रात्रे 5 मिनिट प्रायश्चित रूप प्रार्थना करीश। आपनी कृपा थी दरेक ने आपना दिव्य प्रगटपणानी प्रतीति थाय अने अपरंपार महात्मनो સાક્ષાત્કાર થાય તે જ આપને ચરણે નમ્ર પ્રાર્થના છે. સહજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. સરસ. થેન્ક યુ થેન્ક યુ થેન્ક યુ. અચ્છા, હવે